this way. Okay, now take your hand and rub your nipple. No, I'm kidding. All right, Snow, can we call you Snow? I need one person. Come on. You're really big there, darling. Mate, come out here. Stand right here opposite him. Shit. Yeah, doesn't it? Snow White, stand here. All right, no, you stand there, mate. This is what happens. Snow White, I'm gonna lie down because I'm stupid and insane, and I'm not even drunk. You're gonna take your left foot. Yes. You're gonna take your left foot. You're gonna rub my nipple. No, I'm kidding. You're gonna take your left foot. You're gonna step right here. You're going through a stage in your life. All right. Step right here. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Before I die, you're gonna take your other foot. Don't jump. If you jump, I'm dead. Take your other foot. Step here where my penis comes up to. Okay. You hold for 3 seconds. You hold for 3 seconds. And then step off 1 foot at a time. Mate, how much would it cost for you to lie there and do this with him? 10 grand. Cool. He says 10 grand. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure nobody has 10 grand, but I do accept credit cards. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of my show, this is bloody amazing. This is the first time I've ever done it. If you don't want to give me money, because you don't feel you have to, come up, shake my hand, say thank you. That was bloody amazing. I've never seen that before in my life, because I've never seen this before in my life. And listen, if you don't think the glass is real, you can see the blood on my shirt afterwards, and the blood on my finger now. They face each other, okay? Face each other. There you go, stand a little further back.
Yes, take your shoes off, sexy.
Or did he just fucking face that compares the glass?
Who did?
Craig.
What did he do?
It was the top of the bottle.
He's gonna lie on that.
Are you getting ready to run?
Oh man.
His foot is wider than my body.